Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. Roads are a big problem in the state with some bemoaning more than car tracks. Despite promises, just patchwork done as Goa welcomes Diwali. Siolim locals harden stand on water issue. Frustrated women from a section of Siolim constituency say that they will not vote in the assembly elections if they don't get proper water supply. Goa will get a moderately wet Diwali. Heavy rains on 5th and 6th with thunderstorms accompanied by lightning till 7th. Now the news in detail. The women of Siolim constituency have come out onto the roads to protest the lack of water in the constituency. These women say that they are forced to go out and gather water from other places just to be able to run their households. If the problem is not resolved immediately, the women threaten to boycott all 4 booths of Siolim constituency. Here's more.
There has been no maintenance work for the pipeline in the 25 years since its installation, say locals. Our vote is cast with the faith that government will fulfill its promises, but are left disappointed time and again, says Gitesh Sarang, a social worker from Shioli. The new pipeline that is installed only serves hotels in the area who enjoy 24/7 supply, while locals suffer every day, says Jagannath Gaonkar, resident of Shioli.
25 वर्षां झाली ही पाईपलाईन आणलेली. एखादी गाडी घेतल्यार 5 वर्षांनी सर्व्हिसिंग करची पडटा, पण ह्या 25 वर्षाची पाईपलाईनिंग आधी कोणच खंय मेंटेनन्स सुद्धा करूंक ना.
ही लायन हांगा 42 वर्सां आदी लायन हाडलेली. 42 वर्सां आदी आनी ती बारीक पायपाची आनी ती अजूनही तशीच आहा. त्या उपरांत तोच आमदार 4 फावटी निवडून येयलो आनी तेणे ते लायनीक पयलीं सुद्दां ना. त्या उपरांत दुसरो आमदार येयलो, 5 वर्सां उरलो. आतां तिसरो आमदार 20 वर्सां उरलो. त्या उपरांत गोवा फोर्टाचो येयलो, 5 वर्सां जाली. 3 महिने कमी आहा तेका 5 वर्सांक. पूण तेणे सुद्दां हांगा लक्ष घातलें ना, कांयच केलें ना. हेंच्यान सगळ्यान कोणीच लक्ष घातलें ना. 4 आमदारांनी 4 आमदार अशोक साळगांवकार आसलो तितून. आनी तीच लायन आतां 42 वर्सां जाली. आनी आतां कितें केलां हेंच्यांनी? लायन हाडल्या. रातच्या उदीक लायन हाडल्या आनी ती हॉटेलांक दिल्या आनी आमची लायन 42 वर्सांची आहा ती तशीच आहा. आनी आतां पळया ही बायलां कितली कशी जमल्या ती पळसुलेक लागून. ही बायलां आमच्या वाड्या वयली पळय कितली जमल्या ती. कित्याक जमल्या ही? हांकां उदीक मेळना.
The locals say that they have taken the matter to the officials several times who had promised to regularize the supply initially, but are now ignoring the calls and requests for help. Till now, we have been coming out onto the streets to protest. But if things continue in this manner, we will walk to MAPSA's PWD office and hold a morcha there, wants Sarang.
आमकां प्रॉमिस केलेलें की लास्ट फ्रायडे की आमकां वॉटर सप्लाय सारको सुरळीत दितलो म्हणून, पूण अजून पर्यंत तेंच्यांनी जे प्रॉमिस केला पळय ते अजून फुलफील करूंक ना. आनी वेन एवर वी कॉल येई हे आमकां केन्ना फोन उखलिना. जशें कितें आमी फालतूर कशें हें करतात ते ट्रीट करतात आमकां लोकल्सांक. फोन उखलिना, परतून रिस्पॉन्डूय करचे ना. आनी मागीर चड 2-4 फावटी फोन केलो काय ना मागीर स्विच ऑफ करता. पूण कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा तो लोकांचो आयकून घेयना.
पायपलायन हांगा रिप्लेस करूंक ना. उदकाचो प्रॉब्लम, ते डीक केलेल्याक ती पायपलायन लीक जाता, कांय जायना, कोणूच कांयच पळयना. सो आमची एकूच मागणी आसा की आमकां एट एनी कॉस्ट हांगर उदीक जाय.
सरकाराक वॉर्निंग दिता की आयज आमी फक्त रोडार सायडीक आंदोलन केलां, हरशीं रोडार करपाचें आसलें, पूण आमी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन केल्लेली आहा. हेज्यांक फुडें आमी चलत म्हापसा PWDचेर मोर्चा करपाची आमची शक्यता आहा, जावं ती लोकल MLAच्या करपाची. म्हयन्याक फक्त 3 म्हयने उरले इलेक्शनाक. सरकारान विचार करचे. हांगली पायपलायन, रोड, लायट हे सगळी वेवस्था, बेजीक फॅसिलिटी मागता आमी, व्हडले कांय मागना. एक जाग्यार आहा IIT आनी दुसऱ्या जाग्यार आहा ही वॉटर फॅसिलिटी. डिफरन्स पळयला. सरकार IITचे उलयता पूण उदकाचे कोणूच उलयना.
Sandeep Kamalkar for Goa 365 from Shioli.
Look at this road. This is in Karanjalim. People have to drive over this road. But how can vehicles use this road? Here's more.
Goa 365 has been highlighting the roads for some time now. However, despite various promises, the state of the roads has been very bad. However, this road in the Revenue Minister's constituency and Panjim MLA's backyard is not a road. Watch and decide. Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Karansalam.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Chief Minister had promised that there will be no potholes by November 1st. Yesterday, the PWD Minister said that 20% of the potholes had still to be filled up. He did not give the details about where. Now, Ekoshi roads are in bad shape and Ekoshkars want to know when their roads are going to be repaired.
80% of the road pothole work is over, Deepak Pauskar had said, and the highway work would be over by December, he had said. But locals here allege that their roads that were broken to lay electrical cables have still not been repaired. This is not just a few potholes, but the road for more than half a kilometer has been literally destroyed.
रस्ता तर हे केला ते आता बेगिना करचो म्हणून हे करता तेंच्यांनी
कित्याक उरला तो
खबर ना आता कित्याक उरला तो पावसा खातीर उरला काय 1 तारीख दसरा उरलो जाल्यार
आमी कितलो तेंप जालो उरला हो
जाला आता महिना जालो
कितलो तेंप उरला
1 तारीख सांगा चवथी पयली करता म्हणले हे केबल घालता म्हणून तेवढं मागीर घालूंकूच तेंच्यांनी पळय पावस पडलो मागीर म्हणून आता डिसेंबरान घालता खंय आता कशें आयकलां हांवें
डिसेंबरान करता पण 1 तारीख दिल्ली
टेंडर खंय तेंच्यांनी रॉंग कट केला खंय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हांवें सरपंच विचारलें सरपंचान म्हाका हांवें रॉंग कट केला म्हणून इलेक्ट्रिसिटी परत रिटेंडर घातला म्हाका तेका लागून लेट जालो म्हणटा आनी तेणें 1 तारखेर खड्डे मुक्त
पण तुमकां त्रास जायना रस्त्याचो
हांव कितके त्रास जाता हांव दुर्लभ घरान दुर्ला येता सगळ्या गाडयो कितें जाता
आता रस्तो हे फोडलेल्याक आता म्हाका दिसता म्हयनो चवथी पयलीं फोडलेलो चवथीक इतले त्रास जाले ट्रॅफिकेक जाम जाता हांगर कोणूच हांगर येवन पळयना कोणाकूच पडलेले ना ह्या रस्त्याचे कितें ह्यो वाळकुल्यो जाल्या ह्या फाल्यां हांगा झाडां रोवपाचो टायम येयलो कांयच येना हेका रस्त्याक ते आतां कितें तरी पळोवंक जाय इलेक्शन येतकीरच मागीर सगळे
तेच मारून घेताले ते
तेन्ना पेच मारून घेताले आमकां रस्तो फूल जाय हो नाजाल्यार हे कांय हें जावपाचें ना
सीएमान सांगलेले 1 नोव्हेंबर मेरेन सगळे
हय एक शिवेमान सांगलेले 1 नोव्हेंबराक एकूय खड्डो दिसचो ना म्हणून पळय जाल्यार आख्खे सगळे खड्डे एक खड्डो तरी पुरयला एकूय खड्डो पुरोवना आनी तेवूय पुरयले तेवूय सारके पुरोवंक ना बेश्टेच आहा सगळे तशेंच म्हणजे बेश्टे तेंच्यांनी लेप लायला आनी गेल्या कांय करूंक ना तेका.
The road before this one is the Pomburfa one. This road too is in pathetic condition. Is the PWD department aware of this? Jawahar Barve for Goa 365 from Ekoshi.
In a review meeting with senior officials from 40 districts that are seeing a lag in the COVID-19 vaccinations for adults, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that there is no time to relax, especially after all the hard work done by the healthcare workers since the pandemic has begun. We cannot risk relaxing at this point, now that the nation has crossed the 1 billion mark, as this might lead into a new and bigger crisis, Modi said.
Tuesday saw the country breach the 1 billion vaccination mark as India's cumulative COVID-19 vaccination coverage exceeded 107.29 crore, as over 41.16 lakh doses were administered that day. The country registered 11,903 new cases, placing the active caseload at 1,51,209, which is the lowest in 252 days. Additionally, there were 14,159 more recoveries, raising total recoveries to 3,36,97,740. The recovery rate is currently 98.22%, highest since March 2020. Active cases are currently at 0.44% of total cases, lowest since March 2020. 107.29 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far. 11,903 new cases in the last 24 hours. Recovery rate currently at 98.22%, highest since March 2020. 14,159 recoveries in the last 24 hours. Total recoveries at 3,36,97,740. Active cases account for less than 1% of total cases. This is currently at 0.44%, lowest since March 2020. Active caseload stands at 1,51,209, lowest in 252 days. Daily positivity rate is 1.11%, less than 2% for the last 30 days. Weekly positivity rate is 1.18%, less than 2% for the last 40 days. 61.12 crore total tests have been conducted so far. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. And now for the weather. Locals have to be prepared for heavy rains on the 5th and 6th at isolated areas and thunderstorms accompanied with lightning at a few places till the 7th. Most places will, however, get light to moderate rainfall till the 7th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 35 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively.
There will be partly cloudy skies over the next 2 days, accompanied by a likely gradual fall in temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. Early morning travelers should remain alert for light haze and fog at isolated areas on the 6th and 7th. There are no other weather warnings issued for the state. The IMD has issued warnings for fishermen for the period between 5th and 7th of November. There will be squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour along and off the South Maharashtra Goa coast. Fishermen are advised to avoid venturing out to sea during the period. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.gua365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Gua365 TV and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Gua365 TV or download our app which is available on both Android and iPhone to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Gua365.